Yeah. So CPQ stands for configure, pricing, and quote. So configuration, whatever means whatever we are doing, whatever we are playing with, option, feature, and products, all these are coming under configuration, right? So we are configuring a bundle, we are adding a product, and we are setting up a price. Means then we are adding some of the products in the product options, features to create a bundle. So all those things, whatever we are doing with products, those are called configuration. So configuration is nothing but playing with the product, means configuring the products on or bundle, you can say. Okay, so now second part we are coming, that is C, then P, that is pricing. So what exactly mean by pricing? So pricing is nothing but assigning a price to any product. So it's like you are selling a product, you as a sales rep, you are selling a product, right? So whenever you are selling a product, you should sell a product with a price, right? It's not like if you don't have any price, then you are just giving it freely with free of cost, right? So any product, whatever you are adding, so we should add a price for that product. So just like, let me go to my org. Yeah. So suppose I have created a product, sorry, suppose called printer paper letter. Okay, this is a new product which is launched by the client recently. So what client has told our team, CPQ team or product management team, to add this product in the org. Okay, so we have added this product in the org. So just new product, we created this product, and they have given the product code. And how we used to get the requirement from client, like this Excel sheet. This is a workbook which I have created. Okay, this is, and this is a, you can reference this as a actual project level workbook. So we used to get a workbook from the client. Okay, some people used to say it cookbook. Okay, because it contains all the product pricing, everything, all information about product pricing, discounting. Okay, so all those things you can see here. Okay, so like this, suppose you are working for one release is like every 3 months, 4 months, new releases will be there, so that you will be implementing the product CPQ features, everything. Okay, so suppose you are working for one of the release called release 2, and in that release 2 client has provided this workbook. So they have given some of the products like this Runes version dental. Okay, this is actually I have created for one of the project called Jipner Health. So I have shown the client as Jipner Health, who is dealing with medical equipments. Okay, so all those products are related to the medical equipments. Okay, so you can see the product family as dental, compressor, general equipments, hand pieces, laboratory equipments. Okay, so in your CV also you can say the same. So you are working for a client, name is Jipner Health, who is dealing with the medical equipments and devices. So we used to get the product details, pricing details in Excel sheet in every, means in releases, and we used to add that in our org, or we used to configure that in our org. How you will be configuring? So name, you will pick the name, you will pick the product code, and you will put it here. Okay, name, product code, and you will make it active. Description you will put. Okay, so we have a description field, product description we'll be putting there. Then description logged, true or false. If it is true, then you will be checking. So log description, if you are checking this box. If not, then make it blank. So like that. So product family you will be keeping. So there is a product family. Okay, you have to keep that product family there. Pricing method. So all those fields whatever you are seeing here in the product label, you need to just put according to the requirement whatever client is providing. Okay, so this is called configuring a product. Now pricing, you can see. Yeah.
So we are completed with pricing part, right? Sorry, configuration part, right?
Yeah, we have already configured, means we completed the configuration and product rule. So it completed our pricing, me sorry, product
Okay.
configuration part. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So pricing you can see. So here, see, all the product configuration things, everything is coming under this configuration sections, product sections. Okay, you can see. But pricing is having another component or another section. These are all fields which deals with the pricing for CPU. Okay, so whenever pricing will come, you should look into this section. Okay, so it's not compulsory to fill all the fields whatever is present here, but all fields are coming under our CPQ pricing. That's why there is another section, Salesforce CPQ pricing. Okay, and above one is for the configuration of product, configuration, product rule, all those things. Okay, so now pricing method. Okay, this is one field. Okay, so pricing method is a pick list field. If I'll edit this, yeah, let me just go down. Yeah, this is a pick list field because it comes with the drop down field, right? So now you can see there are some pricing methods available, just like list, cost, block, percent of total. We will see what is list, what is cost, what is block, what is percent of total. But as of now, you just see, okay, there are some values they have given for pricing method. So pricing method that should be applied to the product. So it's like cost pricing you are applying to the product, or block pricing, or percent of total, or list pricing. Okay, I will explain each every value. Okay, and when
So
will be using.
one
Yes.
question of it. Can we add one like custom
No, no, no,
value?
no, no, no.
Only these
Yeah.
built-in drop
Yes.
down.
Yes. Okay, because means custom means you would be just doing it out of the means this is
Mm-hmm.
given by out of the box Salesforce
Yeah.
features. What is out of box? Out of box means somewhere you will see OOB out of box. They will say, people will say it means whatever Salesforce has given, that is called out of box. So all these fields, all this price list, whatever you can see here, these are called out of box. Means Salesforce provided pricing methods or discounting methods. But if you are having your own custom methods, then means it is not out of box, right? So it is your custom one. So custom one, where you will fit it here? Nowhere, right? Because this
Mm-hmm.
is a flow which is defined by
Okay.
the CPQ.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so that's why. Yeah. So okay, so now you can see pricing method. Okay, so we have many pricing methods. So pricing method editable. If you'll check this box, then it will be editable. Where it will be editable? In the code level. Okay, price editable. It will be editable again in the code level. Okay, subscription pricing. Okay, this is one of the most means important field you can say. Whenever I even told in my first class, you remember to differentiate a product, whether that product is a subscription or non-subscription product, we should come and see this field, whether this field is having any value or none. If this field is none, then it is non-subscription product. But if it is having any of the value out of these two, fixed price or percent of total, then this product is called as a subscription product. So this is one of the interview question. Okay, people can ask you how to differentiate a product, whether it is a subscription product or a non-subscription product. So that time you can say we have a field called subscription pricing on the product level, which is having two values. One is fixed price or percent of total. If any of these values have been given to this field, then we can say this product is called as a subscription product. If no value has been given, it is blank, means it is a non-subscription product. Okay, and subscription product will have a subscription term. Term means for how many days, or how many months, how many years you are subscribing. So it's like Netflix, you are subscribing and you are paying 299 rupees for 6 months. So 6 month will be your subscription term. Okay, so you are using it for 6 months, so six you will say. Okay, so that is called subscription term. Okay, and next I will tell some of the pricing. So this will be not used now. Okay, but later I will tell. And this is always quantity. Let me just Mm, yeah, optional. Okay, I even told about optional. So if you'll put a optional for any product, so that product means that particular product will not contribute any, it means any of its cost or price. Okay, it's like if I will make it optional and I will add this product in the quote, then whatever least price will be there, whatever price will be there for this product, in the quote it will come as zero. Okay, so you are making a product as optional. So this product is a optional, that means this product is not having any quote, it's not contributing any is not contributing any price in the quote level. It's a zero price product, you can say. Okay, so making a product as optional means you are making a product as zero price. Okay, so this is one important. Okay, percent of total, we will be using this field during our percent of total. I will cover this. And the total category, all these are percent of total. Okay, even include and exclude is also percent of total. I will tell when to use include, when to use exclude. Okay, and this is all called discounting. Okay, these fields are coming under discounting. So whenever we will be applying any discounting, you will use these fields. Okay, we have a separate topic for that, so I will tell you. Yeah, that's it. So let's come back to our trailer. Okay, so first of all, whenever we are adding a product, I even, you remember I told a product is will not be considered as an active product until and unless we will make it active, and we will be assigning a price book, standard price book for that product. Right, Srinivas? So,
Yes,
s-
correct.
so whenever we will be adding a product, first we should make it active. Second, we should means add a price book for that price, for that product. Okay,
Yes.
so if you won't add the price book or standard price book for the for any product, then whenever you will be going to quote and adding this product into that code, you can't see this product in the product selection page. So we have a add product button, right? Whenever we are clicking there in the product selection page or list, you can't see this particular product because this product with either is not active or a price book is not assigned for that product. Or third thing is you are making this product as component.
Right.
Okay, so these three things. Okay, this component checkbox, even if you will check this component checkbox, it won't be visible. So three things, it is one of the interview question. So you have added a product, but in the product select, whenever you are going to quote and adding this particular product, you can't see this product in the product selection page. What could be the reason? You can say the product either might not be active, or price book is not assigned to the product, or this product component checkbox is checked. Okay, so either of these three things has been done, that's why this product is not visible in the product selection page. Okay, now, yeah, so whenever we are adding a product, we are adding a price book for that price. So this price book, this standard price book, whatever we are adding, that is nothing but the original price of that product. So first thing, we are adding a price to the product in the price book, that is called the original price. This $10 whatever is assigned to printer paper letter, that is the original price. Okay, so first you can see here is coming as original price. Okay, so original price is nothing but your standard price book price. Okay, so first when you are adding a product into the means CPQ org, and you are defining the price book, that is called your standard price book or original price book. Okay, now this price book. Okay, so we have some discounting means tool. Okay, so let me go to trailer. Yeah, so we have some pricing tool or discounting tool, you can say. So like block pricing, percent of total, option pricing override, cost plus markup pricing. Okay, and contracted pricing. So here I have shown it. Block pricing, percent of total, let me zoom it. Is it visible clearly?
Yes.
Yeah. So block pricing, percent of total, optional pricing override, okay, cost plus markup, contracted price, option discount, okay, some partner discount, additional discount, discount schedule, partner discount, okay, distributor discount. So these are kind of discounting things which we are applying on the price. Okay. So this is called the this is called all pricing tool. Okay. So let's say block pricing. First we will say what is block pricing. Okay. So block pricing is like, suppose you are purchasing one chocolate. Okay, you have gone to a mall or you have gone to a shop and you are purchasing a chocolate. It will cost you 1 rupees. Okay, and that shopkeeper will say, okay sir, if you will purchase one chocolate, it will cost you 1 rupees. If you will purchase three chocolates also, it will means cost you 1 rupees. Okay, so if you will purchase mm, uh, four chocolate, it will cost you 2 rupees. If you will purchase six chocolate, then also it will cost you six means 2 rupees. So it's like 1 to 3 chocolate, you are paying 1 rupees. Whether you are buying one chocolate or two chocolate or three chocolate, you have to pay 1 rupees. 4, 5, 6 means whether you are purchasing four chocolates or five chocolate or six chocolate, you are paying 2 rupees. So it's like 1 to 3 quantity, you are paying 1 rupees. 4 to 6 you are paying 2 rupees. That is called block pricing. Block means it's like just like block. Okay, 1 to 3 is one block, 4 to 6 is another block. Okay, and you are assigning a pricing for any block. So that is called block pricing. Okay, understood or any confusion?
Clear, clear.
Clear, right? So it's like
Yes.
simple, straightforward. 1 to 3, one block, and you are assigning a price. 3, 4 to 6, another block, you are assigning another price. That is called block pricing. Okay, so let's go to first block pricing. Okay, one by one we will go and we will see what does this mean. So let's go to block pricing and see. Okay, implement block pricing. So Priya, you understood, right? You already understood.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm listening.
Yeah,
I was thinking to join you people since many days. Means, I was busy with something else going on.
no problem. Whenever you will start, that is your starting point. No issue. Okay, so yeah, so block, as I said, block, or think about it's a box. So 1 to 3 box, you are paying 1 rupees or 2 rupees. 4 to 6 box, you are paying 2 rupees or 5 rupees, whatever. Okay, so it's like a box or block. So our block, how to set our block pricing? Okay, and there are some fields in the block pricing like name, lower bound, upper bound, and price. Let me show you. Okay, so always you remember block pricing you can say see in the product level, because you are setting up that block pricing for product. Okay, so you can see a related list as block pricing for a product. Okay, so this is related list, right? All these are related list. So one of the related list is block pricing. Okay, so whenever you will close your eyes, you will think about block pricing. You should first remember, okay, so where I can see in, I should go to the product level, and for a particular product, I can see a related list called block price. There I can create a block pricing. Okay, so if I'll keep my cursor here on the block pricing, I can see new, change owner, edit all. Okay, so if I'll click on edit all, this button, let's see what is happening. It's quite slow. Yeah. So printer paper letter is your product, and you can see the block pricing. Okay, this thing you forget, this price, this GBP, euro, JPY, I have configured multi pricing, means multi currency, so that's why multi currency is coming. If you have no multi currency, then only USD will be available. Okay, so let me just go to another org and show it to you. Let me check if I have configured multi currency here or not. Okay, let me go to one product, admin hour. Srinivas,
Yes, yes, sir.
can you tell me whether this product is a subscription product or non-subscription product?
Yes, subscription.
Yes.
I
Why?
see subscription pricing as percent of total.
Yes.
It's
So that's why
subscription.
it's a subscription product. Nice. So let me go to block pricing, edit all. Okay. So we have only one pricing. Here I didn't configure this multi-currency. That's why only coming as dollar. Okay. Now you can see this admin hour is a product and I am assigning a block pricing. So let me go back here. So here you have to go to products tab. There you have to select a product. Then in the related tab, you can see the block pricing, block prices. There you have to click on edit all, right? So there I have clicked on edit all and I can see this kind of feature. So always for block pricing, click on edit all. If I'll click on new, let me cancel this. Okay, block price, I will click on new. So it will create like this. Okay, price name, lower bound, upper bound, price, overage rate. Okay, so it's like you can create from here. Same
Okay.
thing, same thing you can create from here. But let's say you here you have created lower bound as 1, upper bound as let's say 4. Okay, so here 4 means 3. You always remember, means upper bound we are always defining 1 plus. Okay, upper bound is 1 plus. That means if you are defining 4, that means the block range is 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here if I'll define this block, then can I see next? Suppose my next block is 4 to 6. Can I see it here? No, right? So to see all the blocks at once, you have to click on edit all.
Okay.
Okay, so that whenever I will click on this plus symbol, I can see next block, or I can create the next block. That's it. Okay, so that's why we are clicking on edit all. So here, so we are giving a mean standard. Okay, price book is standard price book. So price name. So I will give a price name. So suppose 1 to 5 quantity. Okay, so lower bound I will select 1, but upper bound what I will select?
6.
Exactly. We'll select 6. Okay, 6 means it's 5. And we'll be defining a price. So 50. 50 means $50. Forget about this overage rate. It's another concept I will tell, but $50. Okay. Now next, our 6 to 10 quantity. So Srinivas, if I will put lower bound as 6, upper bound
11.
11. Sorry, 11. Okay. So that means 6 to 10. So I will put a price called $100. Okay. So I am saving it. If you want next, then you can add on the plus symbol and another block will come and you can add. Right, so I don't want now, so just 1 to 5, 1 to 5, $50, and 6 to 10 quantity, $100. That's it for
So
admin hour. Yeah,
in this way, in the edit way, we can add multiple price box at once.
multiple block price.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Yeah. So
Price.
multiple block price for a product in this way. So you can see now block price became 2. Why? Because we have two block prices, 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. Okay. Okay. So that means whenever I will add admin hour of quantity ranging between this 1 to 6, the price should show $50. If I'll change the quantity from 6 to 10, in between 6 to 10, then it will become $100. That's what. Okay. So let me now add this block, sorry, this product to a quote and see whether it is working or not. Edit line. Okay. Now let me delete lines. Add product, admin hour, and select. I need to change my columns. Let me change the column header. So I'll go to setup. I'll go to object manager. So I want to change the columns for this, and this is nothing but quote line. This one is quote part, right? So for quote line, I have to select quote line object manager. So quote line, and whenever I want to change any column, this column header, you remember Srinivas, field set. We used to go to field set.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
field
nothing
set,
but
yes.
field set, right? So we will be changing in the field set for quote line. So quote line object there and field set.
Field set.
Yeah. So here, what?
Line editor.
Yes, that is called line editor. Perfect. So all this line editor I have given fine, and I think for that particular quote I have assigned another field set. Let me just change this quote. I will go to another quote just to edit line,
Why you are changing?
because I can't see this feature quantity, this thing. I need to change the quantity, then only I can add. Na?
Oh, okay, okay. You it now
Now you
not
can
visible.
see for that particular quote actually I have means defined that line quote line editor as my uh, custom quote line editor. That's why it is coming. So that's why I have, what I have done, I have selected another quote.
Okay.
Okay. So where is my custom one? This client requirement, this one I created right that day, this custom one.
Okay.
You
Yes.
can see additional discount block price, those thing bundle, it was coming like that. So now I selected another quote. You can see this, and we want this kind of thing, this kind of feature. Okay. So let me just delete. Okay, it won't be deleted. Contracted one. Okay, fine. And product. One second. I have done many changes on this org. Let me select one more quote. Hmm. can delete. Yeah. One second. Let me just get one more product. CPU 1.6. Okay. Okay, let's go with the trailered one. Which one? Toner recycle. Let me just take that one. It would be good. Toner. We have this product, toner recycle. Okay. So block pricing. What block pricing? Okay, 1 to 20 units. So 121 I have given $15. 21 to 15 units. 21 to 50 is $25. Okay. Forget about this 51 plus. Okay, this top two, one and second, first and second row. Okay, $15 and $25. So if you are purchasing 1 to 20 block, then you have to pay $15. If 21 to 50 block, then you have to pay $25. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, so we have done this means trailer D. Okay, now which code they're telling? Okay. Now for this product, second thing is, okay, after assigning this block pricing, we have to come back to our product and we have to change our pricing method. Okay, so let me do edit. So two steps we need to remember. One is we'll be assigning the block pricing, another one will be changing the pricing method. So here you can see list, cost, block and percent of total. Here you have to select block. If you'll select cost or list or percent of total, it won't show you that block and block pricing things. Okay, so that's why pricing method you have to select as block. Once you have select this block, then save this. Okay, now let's go to code 14. Okay, let me select code 14. Okay, this code 14, edit line. Okay, I will select standard price book, save. Now add product. Our product is toner recycle, right? Toner recycle. Yeah. So select. Okay. Now you can see quantity one. What is the price it is showing? $15. Correct. Now I will change it to 19. Let's say. Okay. And calculate. Okay. 19. Same. It is showing $15. Let me change it to 20. Calculate. 15. Okay. Let me change it to 21. Calculate. Now it became 25. Okay, let me change it to 25. See, 25 also 25. So what was our block range? We will see. Toner recycle. Right. So our block price range is, so if you will purchase 1 to 20 block, you have to pay $15. If 21 to 50, you have to